Make him shut up.
I can make him shut up. I mean, why would you do that when you're sleeping with him? See how silent he is?
It won't last long.
He's like a little baby.
Do it again.
Jim. He's my own little Jim. Go to sleep, little baby. You sleep well. May all the dreams that you have, I wish I had. Night night. Okay. Not that little baby.
Okay, you go night night too, little baby.
I'm not gonna do.